Today we have another Bluetooth speaker from FND. It's FND W12. The last time when I reviewed a Bluetooth speaker from FND, I had a lot of connectivity issues while dropping the speaker into the water. But that was acceptable for the price tag. But what about a mid-range Bluetooth speaker from FND? Does it have the same issues? Well, let's find out. Starting with the unboxing. In typical FND fashion, you don't get much in the box. When you open it up, you get the speaker, micro USB cable and the user manual. That's pretty much it. Let's take a look around the actual speaker. At the front, we have two 4-watt speakers covered by a plastic grill. At the back, we have the passive bass radiator. Up top, we have power buttons, play, pause and volume up and down buttons. At the top left, we have micro USB port, auxiliary input port and a memory card slot. And at the left and right side, we have adjustable hand strap to carry it easily place to place, or you can just hang it wherever you want. FND claims that this speaker has a range of 35 feet. Well, that's technically true. The connection was good even after going 40 feet away from the speaker, but anything past that can get annoying. Also, I had some connectivity issue while dropping the speaker into the water. FND claims that the W12 speaker has 15,000 mAh battery, which can give you up to 5 hours of playback time. But in my test, leaving the speaker on at full volume, the speaker died in 3 hours and recharging it took about 2 hours. And we don't have any battery indicator on the speaker, but you can still see it on your smartphone in the notification bar. FND W12 can get loud enough to play outdoors, the sound quality is good and the bass is quite nice too. And here is the sound test. FND claims that it's a waterproof speaker, but based on my testing, I would say it's splash proof. And if you want to see the full water test of this speaker, then you can find the links in the description down below. Overall, the speaker is value for money, and if you want to buy this speaker, then I will leave the buying links in the description down below. Well, that's it for this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more.